Gotta make me love better. Do it when you love better. Gotta make me love better. It feel good, I love it.
I need to pull up everything. I just grabbed my phone just to remember not to pull anything up before starting the video. Okay, good morning. Or bad morning. Whichever day you're starting off with. Hopefully it's not bad. But if it is, cause life, then that's crazy. It is 9:51 in the morning. I'm in 9:57. That's how tired I am. I saw that 7 and just thought 1. On Monday, June 27th. You see what I mean? I'm tired. I don't know what that is. It just came with the box. And this supposedly a PS5. The PS5 that I've been working very so hard these past 2 months to save up from my minimum wage job to buy. Putting me in a slight bit of debt without knowing. But it was worth it because it was something that I really wanted for a very long time and finally had the opportunity to work hard to get it. And hopefully that's what's in this box. I ordered this from StockX, StockX.com, whatever it is, and I did my research. I watched YouTube videos and reviews, looked at the reviews on the website before I made this purchase. I asked a couple friends at school, some people that have bought stuff from after, or Okay, so I ordered this on June 17th, Friday, and they said that it took 2 business days for it to be shipped out. It shipped out Monday the 20th, and then it was expected to be delivered between June 28th and July 6th. It said that it took, after it was shipped out, they have to go through a verification process to make sure that the product is legit. It takes 1 to 3 days to actually get there, be verified. Jesus Christ. And then sent back out 8:54 a.m. from the next city, and then it arrived the same day, and it arrived in my city at 10:25 p.m. later that day. That's how fast FedEx be moving. I don't trust FedEx personally, Nobody's sponsoring me for this. My name's not even on this box. Did I just steal somebody's package? I ain't steal it. After it was processed and brought to the FedEx in my city, the expected arrival date changed from the 28th to July 26th to June 26th, which is only like 2 days earlier. It arrived at the location, the address. It got dropped off, delivered. I'm making it sound difficult. At 4:54 p.m. yesterday. Today's Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Sunday, June 26th, via FedEx. This is how I wake up in the morning. Okay, so only because I don't know what this is. I know this whole video is supposed to be the unboxing and review of this possible PS5 from StockX. But this open box that somebody else's address and name is on has just got me baffled. I don't want to feel like I just... FYI, it's my boyfriend's name on this package. That's why I'm like, let me just go skedaddle in this finaddle. Remember him saying that he was going to order me some stuff? I don't remember when or what. So I'm just going to assume because he dropped it off, his parents, and he told me over the phone there's going to be 2 boxes that, I didn't steal it. I didn't steal it. Oh! This is cute! This is cute. I'm gonna put this mug on Oh, I didn't mean to kick the box like that. We finna be rocking with the Uspas today. I'm in love with this hoodie. I'm going to work with this hoodie. Bro. And he got me some headphones. I'm not gonna take them out the box yet. Oh, you got me a phone. You got my little phone case. Look how dirty this one is. And now I'm gonna have a brand new one. Look here. My boyfriend just be. He gave me the controller bit. The thumb things for my controller. I can't remember. Thumb grips? Yeah, thumb grips for my controller. Today is a good day. Today is a good day for this girlfriend. Cause I got a boyfriend that just be doing things. Thank you. Now to unbox this. Cause this is what the whole video is about.
40 minutes making art.
Gotta make me love better.
Product or the PS5. Always in my way. It comes with like a verification sticker. This green sticker right here. And a PS5 seal majority of the time. If it hasn't been used, which I guess it hasn't. Okay. Trying to slide it out the box. Jesus Christ. Honestly, I kind of tossed it up. I'm hard at like unboxing stuff. So, this little quick start guide, safety guide, you know, for safety and quick start reasons. The cord, it's a US cord. This is the controller that I'm probably gonna rage and break one day. I'm throwing stuff. Just threw something. Don't pay attention to that, because I almost really just kicked it when I threw it. This is the cord that goes to the back of the TV. This is the charging cord for the controller. This is the stand. I know how to put it on the stand, so this is a DIY moment. I should really stop throwing stuff. And this is the this mug. Okay. That was a struggle. Oh, I should probably not throw that box like that. I feel like I probably already damaged something, but it's okay. That's my money going. And this is the PS. You ain't see that. This is the PS5. Again, if that's relevant, but I'm updating it to use it. StockX is legit. Oh, it's restarting. I panicked. It's actually legit. I didn't know what to expect of it because I saw a lot of reviews that were legit. But I'm glad that I didn't waste my money. I will try to do a 1 week or 2 week update, you know, to let y'all know how far I got with this. So this will be uploaded a week or 2 from now, if I don't forget, like the rest of my videos. Hopefully not.
1 week later.
My favorite jacket. It's my favorite because it's not mine. So it's been about a week and some change since I got my PS5. We're gonna unpack this. I wanted to be like a case or a cover for my PS5 and my controller. So I ordered a pink one. And it's silicone. This was like $20 and some change, 29 something, 20. Picture be right here. And comes a little controller case. Some thumb grips. And this is supposed to be the covers for the system. So you're gonna watch me struggle to put this on. I already set my control sensitivity when I first got it. This is the reaction time to everything. Oh, X is the jump. R2 is the grab. Circle is the lighter. L2 is the crouch. Yeah, the reaction time to it. I mean, I'm not sure if it's the game, but when I play Destiny, the reaction time, you know, it depends on how the sensitivity is. So the sensitivity on this game, I didn't set it for anything. It's on default. So maybe it's going to be a little slightly like, you know, laggy or delayed. But when I'm on Destiny, I adapted my sensitivity a whole lot more different. It's a whole lot more sensitive. So it's very accurate, or it's a lot more quicker, only because I adapted it. You know, you have to like switch it up yourself to fit your personal preference and everything. But yeah, it's a good controller. It works fine. The system is perfectly fine. I don't think I had any problems with cooling or overheating, you know, especially since I haven't been checking up on it, so maybe I should do that more. But other than that, I haven't had any problems. I haven't used the disc slot yet. I mean, I don't have any games or any movies to use it for as of yet. I still like having the option. Well, I will say that it was cheaper to buy the one that was digital versus the Blu-ray one, but I personally chose the Blu-ray one because I liked to have the option, and it was my money. So I will link the stuff that I used to decorate my PS5, my headphones, my thumb grips, and, you know, everything else in the description box below. Well, this is the end of the video. This concludes the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.